Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy MEXC and Gate IO. I believe you guys really benefited a lot from the last video I made on arbitrage opportunities. I have seen it from the comment section. I've seen a lot of positive comments about the tutorial. Now I have come again to show you guys another tool to spot crypto arbitrage opportunity using a free tool. So before I show you this secret, all you can do for me in order to compensate my effort is to make sure give me a like on this video. You have questions, drop for me in the comment section and I will respond to that as soon as possible. Make sure you share this video because many other people will benefit from this. So if you ever wanted to know how to trade coin, by which you buy low and you sell high, buy from one exchange and sell in another exchange, oh, you are in the right place. Of course, with this tool I'm going to show you what you need to make money trading crypto arbitrage. Before I go further, this video is for educational purpose only, not financial advice. Always do your own personal research before you trade. What is crypto arbitrage? Arbitrage simply means taking advantage of price differences between exchanges. For example, you buy a token from MEXC at $1, you send it to Gate IO and sell it there at $1.05 to lock in profit. I hope it sounds simple, right? It's simple, but the challenge is how to spot the opportunity quickly and making sure network fees don't eat up your profits. So that is where these two come in to help you automatically do it for you free and easy. Let me introduce you to this tool. The name of the tool is Arbimate. You can go to your browser, then search for Arbimate. When search for Arbimate, you get this result, then click on this first one, that is arbimate.co. Then from here, you can install it here or here. If you are using iPhone, you can make use of this one. If you are using Android, you can make use of this one, that's Google Play. So this is it on Play Store. So let me click on open. If you're opening it for the very first time, you may not get to this. You have to sign up using your Google account. So you can choose opportunity to look for profit margin within 2 to 5%. As you can see from here, I think the maximum here now is 4.82%. I think you are happy because this is a great opportunity. Some other tool may not give you opportunity of up to like 5%. So this is a great tool. So check the exchange involved. These are the exchanges involved. You can scroll down to see more. As for me, I prefer big ones like Binance, MEXC, KuCoin, Gate IO, and so on because they have higher trading volume. So let me click on this first one here. So another thing you need to do is to check the trading volume and liquidity. So look at this one and this 24 hours volume and this one. Why do we need higher liquidity? Higher liquidity means your trade will execute faster. So from here now, you are buying this coin from where? From Gate.io, and here is the buy price. Oh, great. Now, this is one of the things that make me to like this tool. They even put it the trust score reliable. That's the trust score reliable. Then when bought, you will send the coin to this second exchange, which is Poloniex. If you don't have account with the Poloniex, you have to go and create account with them. And let me give you this information. If you want to go into crypto arbitrage, you need to sign up with multiple exchanges so that when you see opportunities, you can easily go in and catch the profits. You can check description to this video. I have linked to reliable exchanges you can sign up for and tutorial videos on how to sign up for them. Another thing, probably you don't know how to send coin from one exchange to another safely and profitably. If you don't know how to do that, I have a special video on that. Check the pinned comment. You will see link to go watch the video. Now, quick one. Look at this one also. The trust score. The trust score is what? Unknown. That is for this exchange, Poloniex. The trust score is unknown. If I were you, I will go for reliable trust score both from the two exchanges. Exchange you are buying from and exchange you are sending to. According to this tool, this exchange, Gate.io, is reliable. But the second exchange, Poloniex, is unknown. Which means if you come in to trade like this, you are on your own. But I'm using this one as a tutorial for you. Anyways, let's go and check another one where we can see reliable from exchange A and reliable from exchange B. But before we go, look at the price given you now. Buy price. You can buy this price, then sell price. Look at the sell price. Let's come back. Let me check the second one, which is cross USDT trading pair. We buy from KuCoin and sell in Bitmax. So let me click it. Great. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Relax. reliable, reliable from here and reliable from here. You are good to go. They have helped you to analyze both exchanges and give you green lights. The status normal, status here also normal. This is the trading volume here, this is the trading volume here. So you are buying cross, you buy cross from KuCoin, send it to Bitmart. You don't know how to send? I told you I have a special video on that. Check the pinned comments, go watch the video. Then when you get to Bitmart, you go sell through spot trading. You don't know how to do spot trading? I have a special video on that. Go watch the video through my pinned comment. So try to simulate the trade. For example, if I invest like $100, how much will I get after fees? You have to simulate, get everything, calculate very well before you go into the market. Then very important, check the withdrawal network and fees before you put your money. Check. This is very important. Sometimes the profit looks so sweet, so good, but the network fee can wipe it out. I personally used to avoid trades where the network fee is above $1 unless the margin is very high. So this is KuCoin. Then I click on trade. So from here, let me change this trading pair. Let me go and look for cross. Good. This is cross USDT trading pair. Click it. Then we are buying at this price 0.2394. So when you see something like this, make sure you put it limit. Then come here now, put 2394, right? 394. Good. Then put amount of USDT, let's say 100 USDT now. Then we are getting this amount of cross 417.7, right? So we have to go to Bitmart to sell at this rate 0.2396. But before you go, you have to go and confirm the network fee. So click on asset. Don't let me go further on this. I have a special video on that. I don't want this video to be longer unnecessarily. So go and watch how to send crypto from one exchange to another. How to trade also using spot trading. Special video, I have it. Check the pinned comment. Go and watch the video. The video will help you to have full knowledge about it. So once you have weighed exchange A and exchange B and you see that this is profit, you have seen the end. You have calculated the network fee, how much you invested like 100 USDT, and when we deduct the network fee, send it to that place, sell it there, you have seen your profit. Then boom, you can now execute the trade. Buy the token on the cheaper exchange, withdraw it using the correct network. Then very important, make sure you double check both wallet address and the network. Make sure, very important. So deposit it into the other exchange where you want to go and sell it to make profit. Then don't waste time, sell it immediately. Timing is everything. Price change so fast, so always move quickly but carefully. Then I want to give you 4 things to watch out for. Number 1, always double check the network fees before moving your funds. Number 2, stick to popular exchanges for liquidity. Number 3, start small to test, then scale up when you are confident. Number 4, which is the last one I want to give you, don't assume today's profit margin will still exist later. Arbitrage changes every second, and this is why tools like Arbimate are so powerful. They help you spot and act on opportunities faster. So guys, that is how you can use Arbimate in order to spot real arbitrage opportunities and trade them step by step. So far so good. In this tutorial, I have walked you through what arbitrage is, how to spot opportunities with Arbimate, how to confirm profit after fees, and how to safely execute a trade. Please, if you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto money making strategies. Thanks for watching guys. I love you. Till next time, see you in my next videos.